of us, including me, are super excited to be revisiting our summer wardrobes. And in case you guys are planning to shop for some summer-specific lingerie, innerwear or swimwear, I know I am because I'm totally hitting the beaches this summer. You guys should check out Zivame because they have their sunny side up sale going on with up to 60% off with cash on delivery, free shipping and an easy 15-day easy exchange and return policy as well. But along with that, you guys can also use my coupon code ISHITAZIVAME for an extra 10% off on your entire bill. So I picked up a couple of things and I'm very excited to show it to you guys. So let's get started. So the Sunny Side Up sale on the Zivame website starts on the 7th of April at 8 PM sharp, so make sure you're there on time. And before I jump into all the products that I got for you guys, I know a lot of you are going to comment down below asking me about my dress. So in case you guys want to know the exact product details, head over to my Instagram feed. You will find this outfit detailed with the exact product code over there. Now let's get started. So the first thing that I picked up from this Zivame haul was this beach/swimwear cover up. In case you guys are planning to go to Goa or any beaches for that matter, I highly suggest you pick this up for yourself. This is extremely lightweight like it should be, and I love these fringes at the bottom. They come in various colors. I picked this up in blue, but there are different designs and colors also available on the website, so I highly suggest you guys go check that out for yourself as well. This is basically made of like lace and mesh ka mixture, so it's pretty lightweight, and I highly recommend keeping one in case you guys are planning to hit the water because these are a great must-have to just put on when you get out of water. Next up on my haul is a night suit set. If I'm ever doing a Zivame haul, if I'm ever on the Zivame website and I don't get myself a night suit, that is never going to happen. I just love their night suits and I highly recommend it to everyone. But I was very pleasantly surprised, especially with this one. It's like a cotton shorts, night suit shorts set. So I obviously expected it to be like a regular cotton shorts, but I mean obviously the t-shirt is cotton. But when I picked up the shorts, these are super soft, literally like feathery soft. You need to order it or touch it for yourself to really see what I'm talking about. I can literally live in them all day long. In case you guys are not comfortable with shorts, they also have full set, full pajama sets, night shorts, night dresses as well. So just pick up whatever you like as per your liking. They have various cute prints and colors as well. So lots of options to pick out from. This was in the size medium, but if you do wear shorts, I highly recommend you pick this up for yourself. And of course, don't forget to use my coupon code ISHITAZIVAME in case you guys want an extra 10% discount on your bill. Now moving on to a couple of bras that I picked up from Zivame. The first one that I got was this Parade non-wired though. It's a t-shirt bra and it's got a really nice designer back. So now that summers are here, we tend to wear a lot of racer backs and also backless tops. So these are great for that, especially if you do not want to wear strapless bras. A lot of girls I know find it uncomfortable, and if you don't have a good strapless bra, they tend to keep falling off. So this is a good alternative to that because you don't need to worry about your bra because these look pretty cool. They again have a lot of designs for the back as well. If you they also have some lace backs, so they also look pretty cool in case you guys want to pick that up. Again, this is a t-shirt bra and they have a vast variety of sizes available, so there is something for everyone on that website. So I highly recommend that you guys check this out. It's also very breathable and lightweight, which is why I'm actually excited to give this a try. The next bra in my haul is a Zivame innovation, something called the Zivame Marshmallow Bra. I was actually curious to try it out. It's super soft. Okay, so the description on the website says you have to actually touch it to really feel how soft it is, and I totally agree with it 100%. It's super soft, pretty much like a marshmallow. No wonder they call it the marshmallow bra. They have some really nice summer colors as well in it. They had a lavender and a mint green, but they didn't have my size in that. It was out of stock at that time, but I'm sure you can go back and they keep restocking, so you can go check that for yourself. But I picked it up in the blue and it's really soft. I think it's great because in the heat it does anyway. Bras are a huge pain most of the times, so this softness will really make it easy for. So I highly recommend you getting this one. It's a regular everyday bra, so it's great for wearing under t-shirts and stuff like that. The next bra that I picked up was this sports bra. In fact, in my last Zivame haul, in case you guys haven't watched that, I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go and check that out as well. I picked up the same bra, but it was in an orange color, and I was trying it out for the first time, and it was so comfortable that I went ahead and got myself the same in another color. This is a really nice denim, light denim blue, and it's also got an open back. So if you're looking for something like this, I would highly suggest getting this one. It's really comfortable. It's also medium compression, so great for working out, yoga, pilates, and a little bit of running too. I got this in the size medium, so if you are planning to hit the gym for your summer body, I highly suggest you try out their sports bras as well. Next up in my haul is an activewear legging. I really like their activewear brand, which is Velocity. I really like the Techfluence leggings as well. I already had a pair, so I didn't pick that up this time, but I picked up these black leggings. They are cotton material, but they are very stretchable and also very breathable. The best part about these Zivame leggings are that they do not give you a camel toe, and that is a huge problem for every woman who goes to the gym. So if you are looking for a solution to that problem, I would suggest you give these a try for yourself. I got this in the size medium, and again you can use my code Ishita Zivame for a 10% off for yourself. And the last thing in my haul was this actually seamless low-rise panty. Now I suggest seamless panty especially for summers because we tend to wear lesser number of lesser number of layers in your outfit. Most often we end up wearing only one layer in summers, and especially with dresses. If you're wearing like body-fitting, bodycon dresses, your panty line tends to show, which does not look good. At least personally, I just don't like it, and I don't think anyone else does as well. So these no visible panty line / seamless panties are a great solution for that. I highly recommend you having one in your lingerie collection for sure. So this wraps up my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you will pick up something from all the Zivame products that I got for myself as well. And the Sunny Side Up sale starts on the 7th of April at 8 p.m. on the Zivame website, which is offering you up to 60% off, free shipping, cash on delivery, and an easy 15-day return and exchange policy. Of course, especially for you guys, I also have a code Ishita Zivame that gives you 10% off on your entire billing or whatever you shop on the website, which I think makes it the perfect time to shop as well. And in case you guys are still not following me on Instagram, I'm going to leave the handle on the screen. Make sure you follow me there. You will find all the outfit details that I wear in my YouTube videos out there with exact product codes. So that's it for now. Zivame also has an app actually which you can download for some exciting prizes and rewards that they keep offering to their users. So make sure you check that out as well. I'm actually going to sign off now, and I will see you guys in my next video.